Product zone, we're gonna unbox and check out this amazing, beautiful black and gray console table. Box, we have the 3 shelves part that's going there, and we have the 2 sides and just a couple screws. This should take no more than 5 minutes. They got the instruction, which is very easy and simple. How beautiful it look. It took me about 5 minutes. Very easy. The 2 side, it's a metal frame, holds up to 300 pounds. Is a beautiful country style rustic. I mean, you could store whatever you want in it, but you could see how beautiful it's finished. Look, gorgeous. And it fits in nice here. The legs, you could adjust the legs at the bottom too, and you could easily move it. Really nice. I love the 3 layers because we could put stuff on the bottom, on the middle, and on the top. From end to end here is 47 inches. And from the bottom, come up all the way to the top. From bottom here to the top is 29.5 inch. Width here is about, from end to end here is 15 inch. This thing was made well. I don't even know what I'm going to do. If we're going to be putting toys or books or shoes, this is just amazing. The kids has a lot of toys, so maybe we put for toys too. But this could go in your dining room, could go in your living room. It's overall a amazing quality. Trust me, it's more beautiful in person than it is on the pictures. The whole thing weighs about 35 pounds. Check in the description box below for more price and details and get your hand on this. I'm telling you, it's amazing. This will make your home pop. Beautiful rustic country style with an affordable price. Normally they could go for thousands of dollars, but this one here with the metal frame is a big plus, by the way. Really strong quality overall. Listen, save a lot of money and make your home beautiful with this. Thumbs up here on Product Zone. Love it.